when you're observing wild animals in their natural habitat, they always go for the sparkly stuff. She's always going for sparkly stuff.
How about this?
There's like little diamonds all over it.
Yeah, is it pretty?
Why is everything sparkly with you?
I like sparkles.
Did you ever like bedazzle your jean jacket in the 80s?
No. No.
Speaking of bedazzled, like this. Did you ever do this?
No.
But wait, how much is this? $555
$55.
for a jean jacket that's been bedazzled. God, if you ever wanted to set a trap, lay out glitter. You look at all this sparkly stuff,
Yeah.
but you never wear anything sparkly.
Well, of course I do.
I don't ever see you wearing sparkly things.
Well, when we went to the gala, I was sparkly.
The next thing she goes to, the hats. Always with the hats. And then finally, the last thing is the things that she actually wears.
Hi. These are all extra large.
Oh, sorry.
hello.
It's a combination of what you usually wear plus sparkle.
Yes.
This is the process of shopping. Always first for the sparkles, then the hat, and then the things that she'll actually buy.